So, hello everyone. We're here waiting for our guests. It's almost time. I'm trying to get everything ready for them. Before that, I want to show you something. Ta-da! I made these special energy bites for our guests to try. So, let me try one. Wait. You come forward. That's long. Oh my gosh, that's delicious. Okay, I'm ready. They are fantastic. Absolutely great source of fiber, balanced sweetness, beautifully shaped binding material, because I've used a binding technique to get this all together. So I got 5 dry ingredients, so 9 wet ingredients, let's say that, for binding method. So I put them all together and I got this. I will record the recipe and you'll know how to do it. Our guests are arriving. Bye.